everybody. It's first video since my break. Hopefully the wind ain't too strong, but here's what we got. We have a 2020 Nissan Titan Pro-4X, and I'll start from the front and work my way to the back. This will be just a quick walk around, nothing fancy. So this has a 5.6 liter V8 engine in it, 400 horsepower, 400 pounds of torque, and it has a 9-speed automatic transmission. Yes, 9-speed. So it's gonna be the sun ain't too bright, but gunmetal, gray, and everything under the engine is stock for now. And I put some wheels on it and tires and a lift kit. There will be other videos. This will be a quick walk around. And again, it's 2020. It's got a 6-inch lift on it. It's a rough country, but I'll do a video on that one, on the next one. And we have a 22 by 10 wheels, Lonestar Wheels. Again, be another video. And they're on the, and they got 35s rolling, big power tires. But yeah, I like these factory Nissan Titan steps. Show you quick inside. Don't mind it. It's a little bit dirty, but it's nothing fancy. It's got the cloth with somewhat leather Pro-4X seats. Little camouflage there if you can kind of see it or not. And it's got some bells and whistles, like the big screen. I don't know, like I think an 8-inch, 9-inch. And yeah, it's your 4x4. You know, obviously a Pro-4X. And then down here you got your trailer brake controls. And so far I've towed about 5,000, 5,500 pounds, and it towed it like nothing. These don't have the heat or cold seats. These are the work seats, but got plenty of room. Again, don't mind the mess. Nothing fancy. I love it, man. Love it. I'm always a Nissan guy, as you know from my other videos. And yeah, nothing to it. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too. Other than the wheels, but yeah, against the gunmetal black. I mean gunmetal gray. The Pro-4X with the 6-inch lift and 35s on it. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I've been up to the last time I posted a video. See the, again, like I said, that'll be another video, the lift kit. See the blocks and all that. But other than that, love it, man. It's nice, runs smooth with the lift kit and the tires. It's got power. Whenever you step on it, you can feel it. You can feel the power. You can feel the 400 horsepower and torque. Even for the big wheels, it moves it pretty smooth. Like I said, I already towed with it. Maybe about 5,500 pounds. It, you know, it towed it real easy. Again, it's a 2020 Nissan Titan Pro-4X with the 5.6 9-speed automatic transmission. It's a little quick walk around. Nothing too fancy, crazy to show you inside. Nice little dash, but other than that, lift kit, wheels, and then I show you. I got a lot of video content coming up, so you'll see, you know, under the hood and so on, and some trails. But this will be the first one of this for this truck. A little quick walk around. Other than that, hope you like it, man. Nissan Titan's so underrated. It's a beauty, man. But all right, guys, stay tuned for more content coming out.